Good morning. Ultimatestance road trip. Fancy slow-mo shit. Fuck it. Alright, so we're getting there now. We're at the halfway point. It's still foggy as fuck. Just coming past Sandbach now, so we got what is it, 8:20. Arrival 19 minutes past 9 apparently, so yeah, plough on. Approaching Stoke, boys, so like if I don't make it out, it's been nice knowing you.
1 hour later.
No, it's like back in time, like simple engineering, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, like electronics felt like that. It was just a car. Throttle bodies on it as well. But it's past that. Kill your 316. No, it's not a wrap, it's pen. Yeah, yeah. Hi guys, right, I'm just going through this video, so I just want to talk about this next car. The owner's 13-year-old lad, you know, designed this car. The sound system in it is just amazing. I didn't manage to get any footage of you know, what's in the back, but you know, if you were there you saw it. But yeah, just you know, hats off to this guy. Just going through all this, I wish I filmed you know, longer shots, but like, it's weird, it's the first time I've like done this at a show. It's when you sort of, when I was like sort of just filming there, I felt like I was getting long enough clips. And that's sort of what I was going for, you know, just like just short clips of all the cars, just to like break it up, because obviously I don't want to spend too long on each car, because the video would be like 3 hours long. So yeah, I hope you sort of get an idea of what it's what it was like. Right, back on with some more clips. Right, stuck in traffic. Again, back onto M6 now. A few sort of clips and stuff, a few pictures, so I'll just put them in. And yeah, a really good show. Bought myself some car cleaning stuff from Onyx Arse. Saw the guys there, really nice guys. So if you go on the website onyxarse.com, really good products. So yeah, alright, see you when I get on.